Diliman Preparatory School Boxing Competition 2008. There are the three handsomes. Yeah. Okay. Alias Boy Buto. Wearing without wearing. Okay, Boy Tigas. Wearing without wearing. Wearing in. Okay. All handsome. This is Boy Taba. Yeah. So macho, man.
On the black corner, wearing nothing, Boy Tigas. Yeah. On the white corner, wearing white boots, Boy Buto.
Bing, 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 bing.
Round 1, fight.
Whoa! Knockout! Stop, referee! Stop him! Okay, knockout! Boy Buto!
And the winner, Boy Tigas.
Yeah! You are proceed to the next round, Boy Tigas!
Corner again, wearing nothing, Boy Tigas. Fighting out with the blue corner, wearing nothing, Boy Taba.
Fight! Oh! What a jump is that? Oh! Good man! Oh! Oh! Dangerous! Oh! Oh! Okay. Oh! What a knock! Oh! Nick! Woo! Winner again!
By TKO.
TKO! Boy